Imagine an explosion so violently powerful that in just 10 seconds, it releases more energy than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifespan. These are gamma-ray bursts. If one happened within 3,000 light-years of us, it would strip away Earth's ozone layer in a fraction of a second, burning our atmosphere to a crisp. Scientists are genuinely divided over how they even exist because mathematically, they generate up to 10 octillion megatons of TNT. And they are hitting our solar system right now. How is this physically possible? To understand this, we have to look at how stars normally die. When a massive star runs out of nuclear fuel, its core collapses, and it goes supernova. A supernova is basically a cosmic grenade, throwing material in every direction. It's devastating, but the energy is scattered. But this is where things get strange. Sometimes, the universe does not throw a grenade. Sometimes, it fires a sniper rifle. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly where these cosmic bullets are coming from, and if Earth is in the crosshairs. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining us every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's most heavily guarded mysteries alongside us, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because the way we discovered these bursts sounds like a movie. The year was 1967. The height of the Cold War. The US military launched the Vela satellites, highly classified instruments designed to detect covert Soviet nuclear tests in space. On July 2nd, the sensors went off. A massive spike in gamma radiation. The Pentagon panicked. But the data revealed something impossible. The flashes were not coming from Earth. They were coming from deep space. And for 6 years, this terrifying discovery was kept completely classified. When the data was finally released, astrophysicists were stunned. What you are about to see changes everything we know about cosmic death. The leading theory: hypernovae and neutron star mergers. When a hypermassive star collapses into a black hole, its magnetic fields twist violently. Instead of exploding outward evenly, it funnels almost all of its dying energy into two impossibly tight, laser-focused beams shooting out from its poles at 99.9% the speed of light. But here is where it gets crazy. Just when we thought we had the math figured out, the universe threw a curveball. On October 9, 2022, astronomers detected GRB 221009A. They call it the boat, the brightest of all time. It was so intense it actually blinded our space sensors and altered Earth's upper ionosphere. It broke the theoretical limits of what standard physics said was possible. The math simply did not add up. Scientists around the world are now scrambling to explain the boat. Some say it was a star collapsing into a massive black hole. Others theorize it was the annihilation of dark matter, or a white hole momentarily opening. Some fringe physicists have even whispered about advanced extraterrestrial engineering. I genuinely want to know what you think. Are we looking at a new type of physics, or something artificial? Drop your wildest theory in the comments below right now. I will be reading through them. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If a beam like the boat had been pointed at us from inside our own Milky Way, we would not be here to talk about it. In fact, many paleontologists believe a gamma-ray burst is exactly what caused the Ordovician mass extinction 440 million years ago, wiping out 85% of all life on Earth. We are wandering through a cosmic shooting gallery. Every time we detect a gamma-ray burst, we are literally watching the birth of a black hole from billions of light-years away. But you do not need to lose sleep tonight. The odds of a lethal burst firing perfectly at Earth from within our own galaxy are incredibly rare. And our technology to understand them is advancing at breakneck speed. Right now, NASA's Neil Gorel Swift Observatory, the newly launched SVOM mission, and the James Webb Space Telescope are working in tandem. When a burst goes off, these satellites instantly pivot, catching the afterglow in real time, pulling back the curtain on the early universe. We are not just hiding from the dark anymore, we are mapping it. But gamma-ray bursts are not the only terrifying phenomena lurking in the dark. What about the Great Attractor, the invisible anomaly that is dragging our entire galaxy toward it at 1.3 million miles per hour? Or the Boötes void, a spherical region of nothingness so large it defies the laws of cosmic structure? We are covering both in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. The fact that you are here means you are part of a rare group of people who want to understand the true nature of reality. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next one.